तो दोस्तों हम लोग इस समय वियतनाम में हैं और वियतनाम में यहाँ काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हम लोगों को नई नई मिल रही है और मुझे लगा कि यहाँ पर जो चीज़ें नई नई हम लोगों के सामने आ रही हैं वो सारी चीज़ आप तक भी पहुँचनी चाहिए। तो यहाँ पर हमारे साथ एक गेस्ट हैं जिनसे हम आपको मिलवाना चाहते हैं और ये काफ़ी समय से क्रिप्टो में ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं और काफ़ी एक्सपर्ट हैं। बहुत सारी चीज़ें इन्होंने अपने चैनल पर डाल रखी है। टिकटॉक के बहुत बड़े फॉलोअर हैं। ही हैज़ 1.9 मिलियन फॉलोअर ऑन ट्विटर और यूट्यूब पर भी बहुत अच्छी कम्युनिटी है। तो इनसे काफ़ी कुछ हम लोग को सीखने को मिले क्योंकि ये फ़िलीपींस से हैं और फ़िलीपीन में क्या कंडीशन है क्रिप्टो की, क्योंकि फ़िलीपीन भी हम लोग का एक जस्ट करीब में ही कंट्री है, वियतनाम के जस्ट बगल में है। तो यहाँ पर किस तरीके से ट्रेडिंग होती है, क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं और कौन कौन सी ऐप यूज़ करते हैं, क्या कोई ट्रिक भी है जिससे कि फ़िलीपींस के लोग बहुत अच्छे से कमाई करते हैं। क्योंकि मैंने देखा यहाँ पर जो क्विज़ेज़ हो रहे हैं वहाँ पर बहुत सारी जगह पर इन्होंने लीड किया है। तो ये सारी चीज़ कैसे हो रही, कैसे प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड में बहुत आगे काम कर रहे हैं, ये सारी चीज़ हम लोग इस वीडियो में रिवील करते हैं, जानते हैं और मिलवाते हैं उन गेस्ट से। तो दोस्तों हम लोग मिलवाते हैं आपको यहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़े यूट्यूबर हैं जो कि मार्विन है और इनका चैनल है। और मार्विन कैसे हैं आप?
Hi guys, how are you? I'm Marvin from the Philippines. Thank you so much for having me, brother.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming in our channel. एंड मार्विन इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे और हम लोग इस वीडियो में सबटाइटल ऐड करने की कोशिश करेंगे। जो लोग इंग्लिश में कंफर्टेबल नहीं हैं वो लोग सबटाइटल से समझ सकते हैं और बाकी हम तो हैं ही हैं आपको डिस्कस करने के लिए। सो मार्विन, हाउ इज़ योर गोइंग ऑन योर वियतनाम ट्रिप?
Actually, it's great. No, I've been meeting so much influencers and KOLs, and of course, people from every space of crypto.
Yeah.
All right. There's bot, there's P2P people, and traders as well.
Yeah. Sure. So definitely, Marvin, we would love to know that how regulation in Philippines, as you are in Philippines. So how crypto friendly country is Philippines?
Actually, as of now, Philippines is very crypto friendly.
Oh.
Because we don't have any regulations yet. Okay, we're in the process of regulating some exchanges.
Okay.
But we also have regulated exchanges like local exchanges.
Okay, local exchange. Okay.
Yeah, but you can do crypto there. There's no hindrance when it comes to. The good thing is there's no tax as of now.
That's also a better thing. Yeah, because in India we are paying 30% tax on our profit what we are getting. This is
because you are regulated.
Not regulated
not
yet.
Regulated
but
yet.
We are on it.
Yeah, okay. But in the Philippines, if you want to pay tax, like me, of course I have to pay it. Like we call it self-pay. Okay? So we will submit it directly to the we call it BIR. Yeah.
So Marvin, how you start? I mean to say that everybody has his own journey, that how he interact with crypto. So when you start and how you start, I mean to say if you will tell about your journey to crypto to our audience, so that they will love to know that how you start and what's the problem you face when you start in Philippines.
Okay. So guys, I started as an employee, of course. I have a 8 to 5 job.
Okay.
In the finance in a big media company in the Philippines because I love actresses, but I'm not an actor. Okay.
You are right now you are.
And I didn't plan this, but I started observing other people because they are getting their dreams, and now if I look at my salary, it's not enough for me to buy my my own house, my car. I started looking part-time jobs and selling online while doing my 8 to 5 job. And then I joined also networking companies, the MLMs. Yeah. Of course, I trained, and then when I saved some, I started trading Forex.
Oh.
Yeah, Forex. I learned a lot, and it's a very expensive lesson because of course you lost many money because of I don't know anything about Forex. I just know that my friends are earning big
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, this is the thing that if you don't know about anything what you are trying to do, so this result come may not which you like. So this is the reason that Marvin will tell. So when you start in your life, when you feel, I mean to say in year, because you are too young, as I'm seeing in amongst of participant KOL.
Yeah.
So how long you, I mean to say, how long year back do you start?
Well, while doing Forex, there was a friend that introduced me into crypto way back 2013. But I didn't believe him because I thought that Bitcoin is just a networking company, an MLM. So I told my friend, no, I'm good. I'm good with my company, current company. And then when I saw him again, way back 2015, he is so rich na.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
This
he's
is
so
the
rich.
power of.
I didn't believe because I didn't know anything about crypto or Bitcoin. And then that was the time that I asked him again, what is that Bitcoin? Can you introduce it again? Because I don't have any idea about it. And then he asked me that I have plenty of Bitcoins. I kept it way back 2013 when I introduced it to you. And I told him, please sell me some. But he don't want to sell any.
Nobody wants to sell if he buy earlier.
Yeah, but the thing is, he sold 3 Bitcoins to me. I told him, you introduced Bitcoin to me and now you don't want to sell some. So I told him, just 3. I want to buy. If I'm not mistaken, I bought it for 20,000 pesos. It's like 20,000 is $400.
Yeah.
1 Bitcoin. So I bought 3.
Great.
And then kept it on my wallet, my digital wallet. And then after 2015, 2017, I was shocked in the price of Bitcoin because it reached, I think, 1 million pesos or $20,000. But I didn't believe it again because it's not real cash.
Yeah.
I need to prove that I can encash it. So I tried to withdraw some of my Bitcoins, and then when the time that I'm holding the cash, wow, this is real money. What?
Yeah, this is the power जो कि दिखती नहीं हम लोगों को. This is not a thing which we can see, and this is the thing we can imagine when we withdraw.
Yeah, so I didn't believe at first.
Yeah.
That's the thing about us. We don't believe unless we see it, we see the results. And then I got curious and tried to study Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin?
Yes.
Because at that time, I was trading Forex. So slowly, I transitioned into trading crypto.
Yeah, because if a person got lost on Forex, so they don't believe anything like crypto as well. तो दोस्तों अब हम लोग मार्विन से पूछते हैं कि कुछ मीम कॉइन के बारे में क्या इनका राय है, क्योंकि फिलीपींस में क्या चल रहा है मीम कॉइन को लेकर, क्योंकि हम इंडियंस में तो बहुत एक्साइटेड रहते हैं. अभी देखते हैं कि मार्विन का क्या आइडिया है. ओके मार्विन, सो डू यू नो अबाउट मीम कॉइन्स? डू यू बिलीव इन मीम कॉइन्स?
I believe in some meme coins.
Yes.
Not all.
Okay. So how many percentage do you want to put in if you want to buy that? If you have $1,000, so how many percent you believe that you will put percentage in meme coins? Because it's a lesson.
Okay, maybe I can risk 5%
Correct.
of my portfolio for meme coins.
Yeah, correct. He mean to say that you believe because miracles are happen.
Yeah.
But only for 5%. Next would be my question is that how many coins do you listening that do you listen Shiba coin, Shiba Inu?
Yeah, at first.
It's a very popular coin, Shiba Inu.
I have
Doge.
some, yeah. Dogecoin, I have some.
Okay,
Shiba,
what is your thought about Shiba Inu? People will love to know that about what's your thought about Shiba Inu.
Well, at first I didn't believe at meme coin.
Okay.
Because when I became an influencer, of course, I have to be careful on what I will tell my audience because it's very delicate. Because if people jump into crypto or SHIB and then it will drop. Of course, people will blame me. But when Elon Musk started to talk about it, especially on Twitter, and the price pumped up, that's the time, of course, I will jump into even me. Okay, and then I started buying Shiba, and of course, I earned a lot. Okay, I earned a lot in SHIB, in Dogecoin, because meme coins will pump crazy.
Yeah.
Not like unlike but of course you have to be careful with it. You know when to pump.
Definitely, you have to be careful, very careful, when you selecting your meme coin, because if you selecting every meme coin, this is not a good thing.
Yeah.
Select meme coin, but not every meme coin. Okay, so Marvin, I mean to say you have lots of experience about crypto, and you are representing your country here in Binance affiliate. So what is your thought about crypto? I mean to say, do you have any suggestion to our audience that how they will trade, how they will, if they want to enter in crypto? So do you have any suggestion for them who is newbie?
Yeah, okay. To those who want to enter into crypto space, I suggest that you study first the crypto that you will buy. So let's say if it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or meme coin, make sure you study it first before buying. And if you're gonna buy, make sure that's the money that you can afford to lose, because crypto is very volatile. Okay, price will go up. You can be a millionaire in seconds. You can also be poor in seconds. But if you understand and believe in that coin itself, of course you will have confidence in it. And if you have confidence in that particular coin, you can hold it long term if you want.
Yeah.
Okay, don't just buy because you heard it from us or influencers. Okay, make sure you do your own research. And if you will enter into trading, okay, that's a different question. You have to really study well, okay, and ask mentors, watch them every videos if you really want to earn and benefit from the crypto space, whether it's play to earn game, whether it's crypto, DeFi, or anything about crypto. The key here is to study first.
Correct. So this is the thing what you tell us. But do you have do you want to share any trick? If you use in future? Do you use future trade?
Yeah, I use futures trading.
Okay.
But maybe the reason why I'm profitable because of instinct. Okay, I'll do my analysis. Okay, my technical analysis, and then I don't trade with emotion.
Oh.
Okay, it's just you have to trade many times. Practice in demo account, and then you will feel, and you can the time will come that you can determine the price, because it's just normal for you to see, okay, it's like the price will go up and down, and then you will take a look at your technical analysis, and then you will earn from it, okay, little by little. There's just two, it's like casino in trading. There's losing and winning. Now, if you do your part, study it, your winning chance will be greater. So let's say you trade 10 times a day, because of your analyzation and analysis, technical analysis, you will win more than you lose.
Correct.
So that's my trick. Because the truth is, you don't really know, okay, where the price will go.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Nobody will know. Okay, so Marvin, my last question expecting from you that do you have any suggestion about which coin they will try to look into, what they will put in your watch list? I mean to say, if they wish to buy, what coins they will try to buy instead of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB?
That's very hard. That's a very hard question, because as you can see, I told you earlier, before you buy crypto, study it. And of course I study Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. That's why I'm holding. That's my top 3. That's my top 3. But you can study XRP if you want. Look at their the technology. That's
Correct,
the
correct.
main thing, the utility. What's the purpose of that particular token? Okay, I can't suggest any crypto because I don't know. Maybe the price will go down and then you will blame me. But
you have fear of Luna, so that you are not going to suggest any coin.
yeah, I don't want to suggest anything because a good coin, a coin with the good utility can still go down. Okay.
So he mean to say totally that you have stick with Ethereum, BNB, and Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Yeah, perfectly. So thank you so much, Marvin.
Thank you so much for
coming
having
our
me.
Channel, and we will explain you lots of things what is going on here in Binance affiliate team, and we are
Yeah.
there for next 1 or 2 days more. तो दोस्तों फिर हम लोग यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो एक्टिविटी हो रही है वो सारी चीज़ अपने पास नोट डाउन कर रखना है आपसे बहुत जल्दी हम लोग शेयर करने वाले हैं और आई होप आपको ये वीडियो समझ में और अच्छी आई लगी होगी तो वीडियो को प्लीज़ लाइक कर दीजिए और मार्विन के चैनल को अगर आप विजिट करना चाहते हैं तो उनका डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है इनकी सोशल मीडिया जितनी भी आप चाहें सब डिस्क्रिप्शन में है वहाँ जाके आप इनको चेकआउट कर सकते हैं और मैं कहूँगा फॉलो भी करें सब्सक्राइब भी करें क्योंकि इनका बहुत अच्छा यूनिक स्टाइल है जो कि जिसमें क्रिप्टो के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं और वन ऑफ द बेस्ट चैनल है इस वजह से ये क्रिप्टो के फील्ड में यहाँ पर मौजूद है तो थैंक यू सो मच प्लीज़ विजिट एंड लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब थैंक यू बाय
Yo.